Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today I'll show how to design a drill bit in Solidworks software. This is a drill bit which I have designed in Solidworks software. I'll show also. Now before going to start, I'm going to request everybody. If you did not subscribe the channel, please subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get the new videos. Now I'm going to start taking a new file. Okay. Then I'm selecting the unit system MGS and selecting the front plane, normal, extruder boss is selected, taking a circle and the dimension, determine of the circle, diameter of the circle will be 8 millimeters. Okay, then exit it. Now I'm taking this one is 100 millimeters and direction will be this way. Now see, after that I'm going here, sketch, then convert entities, done. See, then exit it. I'm going to the curves, helix and spire is selected. Now create it. Now I'm taking this one is the 67 millimeters pitch and revolution selected and constant pitch. 67 millimeters revolution is 1 and it will be starting from the 180 degrees and it will be also clockwise. Now done. After that I'm going to the sketch and 3D sketch is selected, then taking the top plane and normal. Now I'm selecting these lines and going to the convert entities. Now see, after that I'm sketching, I'm going here and tangent arc is taken. Now sketching a tangent up to this, right button click, select. Now selecting this one and pressing the control and click on this line. Now I'm taking tangent. Okay, then exit. See, after that I'm going here, a sketch and going to take a circle, sketching a circle. I'm taking this circle is 6 point, okay, I'm taking this 6.5 millimeters. Okay, done. Exit. Then I'm going to the features and swept cut is selected, swept cut. The sketch 3, this one is the selected, so I have to select this one. Then I'm selecting this line. Then okay. Then see, the cut is selected. Now I'm going here, pattern, circular pattern is selected. I'm taking the two numbers circulations and the this one I'm selecting this ones here, features and faces. I'm selecting these faces in the card sweep and I want to select this portion. It's not this portion, it's deleted. Here selecting and click here. Now okay. Now see, then I'm selecting this one, going here and hide it. After that I'm going to the top line, normal, and right button is click, sketch. Now I'm sketching center line. Here to here, right button is click, okay. Then taking a line, reference click, select. Then determine the dimension and taking this angle is 60. Then okay, exit it. Then go to the features, revolve part is selected. Okay, it's automatically revolved. Now done. The drill bit is done. Now I am selecting this one, going here, and chamfer is selected. I'm chamfering 1 millimeters and 45-degree angles. Now done. See. Now I'm going to select the materials and taking the metals and I'm taking the brush chromium. Chromium is taken. Okay, and change color. See, I think
Yes,
everybody got
sir.
it. I think everybody got it how to design a drill bit in Solidworks software. Thank you everybody. Please subscribe the channel, like, comment, and share. And the redesign engineering is always with you.